Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:23 p.m., the thunderstorm was located over Lewistown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 50 miles per hour. Source radar indicated. Mills, Greensville, Julietta Terrace, Mexico, and Alpharetta. Stay inside
Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, central Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania until 2:15 p.m. At 1:23 p.m. miles per hour. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Burnham, Belleville, Highland Park, Yeagertown. A severe thunderstorm was located over. Warning has been issued until 2:23 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Lewistown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Source Julietta and Mifflin. Mexico, and Alpharetta.